Hi friend, welcome to the Company Law Adjudication and Appeal Series. Today we are discussing Tamil Nadu ROC Adjudication Order dated 10th July 2023 for the violation of Section 155 of the Companies Act, where a director who has already obtained a DIN has processed another director identification number, and here adjudication officer imposed penalty on the director. That is the total penalty 5,03,500. Let's see the facts of the case. Here the violation of section 155 of the Companies Act, that is the no individual who has already allotted a DIN under section 155 shall apply for or obtain or process another DIN. Here in this case, that upon processing of the DIR 5 by the office of the regional director with respect to surrender of second DIN, it was observed that the applicant has applied for and obtained two director identification number on the MCA portal. And first DIN number obtained on the 23rd August 2010, and second DIN number obtained on the 4th January 2021. And further, applicant himself has admitted, and the same has been verified in the e-record, that the DIN being surrendered has been or is still associated with the one of the company SPS Hyundai Private Limited, and new DIN was applied while forming the new company SPS Motor Private Limited. DIN surrender cannot be allowed under pursuant to Rule 11F of the Company Appointment and Qualification of Director Rules 2014. Furthermore, applicant clarification with respect to the duplication does not mean satisfactory, and it appears that the second DIN was obtained in violation of Section 155 of the Companies Act. Whereas the office of the RD letter dated 5th September 2022 has requested this office to take necessary action for the violation of section 155 of the Companies Act, and this office has issued so-called notice to the director for the violation of section 155 of the Companies Act, and as the undersigned has reasonable cause to believe that the aforesaid provision of the Act has not been complied, and accordingly this office has issued adjudication hearing notice to the company director. Where in the pursuance of the adjudication hearing notice issued on 15th June 2023, practicing company secretary appear on behalf of the director and admitted that the violation on behalf of the Sri Tyagarajan Saraswati, that is director. In view of the above, upon examination and hearing, violation of section 155 of the Companies Act, for which penalty shall be imposed as per section 159 of the Companies Act. Let's see the section 159 of the Companies Act, where there is a violation of section 152, 155, 156. In that case, individual or director who makes default, such individual or director shall be liable to penalty which may extend to 50,000 rupees, and where default is continuing one, with further penalty which may extend to 500 rupees for each day after the first during which such default continues. And here penalty imposed on the director, that is for the first default, that is 50,000, and additional penalty for continuing offense, that is 907 days default, that is the multiply by 500, that is a 4,53,500. That total penalty imposed in this case 5,03,500, and total penalty for the violation of section 155 of the Companies Act. And if applicant prefer appeal, then file appeal within 60 days from the date of this adjudication order. In case of the non-default, then in that case officer of the company who is liable for the penalty for not less than 25,000, which may extend to 1 lakh rupees, or imprisonment which may extend to 6 months. This is the update for the obtaining another director identification in violation of section 155 of the Companies Act. Thank you so much for watching this update.